Welcome, REALME is a REALME Q2, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, go to the settings, and look for storage. So it's going to be about phone, and let me just quickly search for it. That's going to be easier. So storage, there we go. So it's an additional settings and storage, and from here at the bottom you should see your SD card. Tap on it and you will see the format SD card option. Tap on it, again confirm it. It will give you a message that all data on the SD card will be removed, and if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand. Otherwise you will lose it permanently, but assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on format SD card, and this only takes a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, the card is ready to be used once more. So let's just wait for it to finish. And there we go. So the process is now complete, and yeah. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.